with MediPharm Solutions in February, I believe, was like mid-February, and finished was like end of, I think, June. And then I started marketing was beginning of July. Actually, marketing with the MediPharm Solutions, and they did a great job just posting our resumes and helping us how to search for positions. I was also applying by myself on LinkedIn and Monster and Indeed. I got like after like maybe 10 days of applying and doing marketing, had my first interview, and then second interview also with another like local pharmaceutical company here over in Illinois. And then I got my third interview that was lucky to be chosen for the position. So